The journey begins with our high-capacity loading conveyor built for bulk pineapple handling. Our conveyor systems ensure gentle yet efficient transfer, reducing manual labor and minimizing fruit damage. Our multi-stage washing system combines high-pressure sprays and rotating brushes to remove mud, dust, and pesticide residue. After cleaning, fruits pass through the inspection conveyor. This ensures only the best quality pineapples move ahead. Our automated peeling and slicing machines are precision engineered to maintain fruit shape and reduce waste. Whether you need rings, chunks, or tidbits, our cutters deliver uniform output. Perfect for fresh cut packs, juices, or canning. All machines are built with high-grade stainless steel, ensuring food safety and durability. The entire processing line is automated for maximum output with minimum manpower.